Maraming netizen ang tila kinwestiyon ang isang post ni Robby Domingo sa kanyang Instagram na kung saan ay makikita ang isang video na sinasabi ni Robby na gusto na niyang magka-baby. Pero sa puntong ito nga ay tila hindi pa yun pwedeng mangyari dahil may sakit ang kanyang asawa na si Mikey Pineda. At dahil dito, ilang mga netizen ang nagsabing tila insensitive ang nasabing post na ito ni Robby Domingo na kahit papano ay hindi dapat isinishare sa social media lalo na't alam ng lahat ang sitwasyon ni Mikey. Ayon sa isang netizen, got across Robby Domingo teary-eyed wishing for a baby. They're waiting for a clearance from doctor for his wife to get pregnant. He's so red flag. His wife just recovered from autoimmune crisis, then announced on public media his wish for a baby. How insensitive to his wife's feeling. Sabi pa ng isa, women thinking about wanting children, risking own health, pain of childbirth, basically changes their bodies permanently, negative psychological effects, postpartum complications, and etc. Sabi pa ng isa, Robby, aware ka naman sa kondisyon ng asawa before kayo ikasal. Aware ka dun be. Ang off lang na ini-air mo to sa public. I don't know if nag-iisip ka ba o ano nung ginawa mo to kasi nakakadagdag to sa pressure sa misis mo. Sabi pa ng isa, ay sorry Robby Domingo, pero parang di mo na sana pinopost publicly. While your wife is trying to heal from her sickness and stay alive, here you are wishing na sana may anak ka na. Grabe yung pressure sa asawa ha. Buti na lang di nakatuluyan ni Gretchen Ho ito. Sa puntong ito ay pinakita naman ni Mikey ang tila naging reactions niya sa mga post or comment ng mga netizen. How did you feel about the post? Ayon kay Mikey, no issues at all. I've openly mentioned it here before. It's both our goals, our plans, and our wishes, but we acknowledge the reality of things and have chosen to trust in God's plan and timing instead. But we are hopeful, just have to wait a bit and do some work for now. But the prayers and support mean a lot, so thank you. Thank you so much for everyone's prayers and support. We super appreciate it.